For a long time, we believed consciousness belonged to humans alone. Thinking, awareness, the feeling of being here. We assumed it required a human brain, a cortex, language, self-reflection. But nature doesn't care about our assumptions, because long before humans existed, birds were already conscious. What we think consciousness is. When people hear the word consciousness, they imagine something very human, inner thoughts, self-awareness, complex emotions. For decades, scientists believed consciousness depended on one thing, the neocortex, the outer layer of the human brain. No cortex, no consciousness. That idea seemed logical until scientists looked closer at birds. The bird brain problem. Birds don't have a neocortex. Their brains are organized very differently from ours. Smaller, denser, structurally alien. For years, this led to one conclusion. Birds were instinct-driven machines. But then came the behaviors science couldn't ignore. What birds can actually do. Birds can plan for the future. They can solve multi-step problems. They remember individuals. They adapt their behavior based on experience. Some birds delay gratification. Some recognize themselves. Some understand cause and effect. These are not reflexes. These are decisions. And decisions require awareness. Recent neuroscience studies revealed something remarkable. Bird brains use different architecture, but achieve similar functions. Instead of a cortex, birds evolved tightly packed neural clusters that perform equivalent processing. Different structure, same outcome. This means consciousness isn't tied to a specific brain shape. It's a function, not a design. What consciousness really does. So why did consciousness evolve at all? Because it solves a problem instincts cannot. Instinct reacts. Consciousness chooses. It allows an animal to evaluate multiple options, predict outcomes, adjust behavior in changing environments. In complex ecosystems, flexibility is survival, and birds live in some of the most demanding environments on Earth. Consciousness as a survival tool. Consciousness didn't evolve to write poetry. It evolved to stay alive, to decide, should I flee or hide? Should I fight or wait? Should I trust or remember? Birds didn't borrow consciousness from humans. They evolved it independently. What this means for humans. If birds are conscious, then consciousness is not rare, it's not exclusive, and it's not human. It's an ancient biological solution. Humans didn't invent consciousness. We inherited it. Birds prove something profound. Consciousness is not a human trait. It's a natural one, a quiet adaptation shaped by evolution long before language, cities, or civilization. Nature doesn't think in human terms. It builds what works, and sometimes it builds what